Why do 80% of forest animals have unique adaptations? Join us as we explore the wonders of the forest. Did you know forests cover about 31% of our planet? They're teeming with life. Take the leafcutter ant, for example. These tiny powerhouses can carry leaves 50 times their weight. Or how about the chameleon? It's not just a master of disguise, its tongue can shoot out at lightning speed to catch prey. And let's not forget the wise old owl. With its silent flight, it's the ultimate nighttime hunter. For more incredible facts and amazing wonders, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you in the next adventure.